Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a Valorant Couldn't Start error on Windows PC. Let's fix it guys. You just need to right click on the Valorant on the desktop, select properties, select compatibility tab and check all the options including run this program as an administrator. After that select apply and OK. Now right click on the Valorant and select open file location. Go back to write games. You just need to double click on the Valorant live folder, right click on the valorant.exe and select properties. Go to compatibility tab. Make sure every options are unchecked. After that, select apply and OK. Now you just need to go to shooter game folder, binaries win64. Scroll down and find Valorant win64 shipping.exe. Just right click on it and select properties. Select compatibility tab and check all the options checked. After that, select apply and OK. Now just to close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can play the game without having any problem. And that's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.